Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be sharing a little mini vlog of me making this RNBSN dessert table all made from scratch by me. I started off by baking my cheesecakes first, and I'm gonna be pairing that with strawberry combo. But to fit the theme, I'm actually gonna put them in syringes. That way the guests can have a little interactive moment and squeeze it on top of their cheesecakes. And I actually made two separate batches. One of them is gonna be a little bit more liquidy, and the second one is gonna be more firm. I was going to use those for my cake jars plus my cake orders. Now right here I am baking some carrot cake, but unfortunately I totally forgot to record me making the cake jars, which funny enough I did stuff them all in urine pea cups, which went so perfect with the theme. And obviously they were brand new when I purchased them from Amazon. And I did 4 different flavors, including the carrot cake. I also did strawberry cake with vanilla diplomat cream and strawberry compote. Third flavor was gansito, which was vanilla cake with ganache, cream cheese, and strawberry compote. And lastly, red velvet. Now another popular dessert item that I ended up making was your traditional choco flan, which is what I'm making right here. And I actually ended up baking all of this 2 to 3 days before the event so I wouldn't fall behind with time, and it worked out perfectly. Moving on here, I am filling the syringes with the strawberry combo that we did earlier. And you guys, this was the cutest idea. Plus, it was so delicious being paired with a cheesecake. And like I said earlier, it was a fun interactive moment for the guests to squeeze on top of their slices. Now for the cheesecake frosting, I did want to use this whipped in ice, which is a lot more stable than your regular whipped cream. Now I am from San Antonio, Texas, and we do have terrible Texas heat weather over here, so that clearly wasn't gonna last. So now it's finally the day of the party, and the way that I'm going to transfer these to the event is I decided to get an ice chest, and I had a total of 4 blocks of dry ice, 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. And here's a little before and after. I also did order some high risers from Amazon to make the desserts look nice and presentable. And the large cake and the heart cake that you guys see are actually made out of styrofoam, just for looks and presentation, but the outcome was a total success. Now shout out to my sister. We ended up having a great night celebrating her being an RNBSN. And by the end of the night, we had little to no desserts left, which was amazing. But that concludes this little mini vlog of me making this dessert table from scratch. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're interested in learning how to decorate cakes, check out my YouTube channel to become a pro at decorating. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye you guys.